Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shantina, just in case you didn't know. So today we are going to be doing a product review of this new collagen peptide that I have been taking. And let me tell you, I just had to turn the camera on and tell you guys all about it. And look, it's only been 2 weeks and I have some results for you. So stay tuned. So this particular collagen peptides that I'm taking now for the last 2 weeks is so important to me in the health of my body because it has an ingredient that the other 2 collagen peptides that I've been taking does not have. And let me tell you what it is. This ingredient is so beneficial to my gut health that I don't know, I may just have to switch and just start taking this particular collagen peptide, because this particular collagen peptide has the probiotics built into the formula. Probiotics is very important and vital to your gut health and your digestion. And it's also good for you if you have high blood pressure, which I have. And I have gut issues because I have acid reflux. Probiotics are food or supplements that contain live microorganisms intended to improve and maintain the good bacteria in our bodies. I normally take probiotics once a day, and you can take it in the morning or the night before you go to sleep. You just want to make sure that you're taking the probiotics on an empty stomach. So here are some signs that you may need to start taking probiotics if you're not already taking them. If you have allergies or eczema or asthma, mood disorders, food poisoning, if you're always getting sick and you don't know why. And it can also help with skin disorders like psoriasis or acne. I personally take it for my gut health, but all the added benefits is 2 thumbs up for me. And you guys know that I am team collagen peptides. And when I found this product, this collagen peptides having probiotics in it, come on now, game changer. I had to purchase it, try it out, and see if it actually worked for my gut health like the probiotic tablets that I take. And I'm gonna say it does. I've been taking this product for about 3 weeks now, and I stopped taking my probiotic capsules just to see if I'm getting the same effects as if I'm taking the probiotic capsules. And like I just said, it works, you guys. It really, really works. Having acid reflux can sometimes be a struggle, and probiotic, it has really changed my life for the better. And this collagen peptides is still doing what the other collagen peptides are doing, like good for my hair, skin, nails, gut, which is just a plus, right? And my joint movement. And of course, it helps with the collagen production in your body. But adding a probiotic to collagen peptides is really a game changer for a person like me suffering with acid reflux disease. And I'm happy to report that this product is really, really helping the issue. I was already getting good results taking just the collagen peptides without the probiotics, but adding that probiotic to the mix, I'm seeing better movement in my joints. I'm having less issues with my acid reflux. My bowel movements are easier and more frequent, which is very important because, you know, the feces in your body is toxic and you want that to come out. If you have a clear gut with the probiotic factor in there, your skin is better, your bowel movements are better. If you have bad breath, it helps with that. Probiotics help with a lot of issues that you have going on, especially in that gut area. And I am really seeing a huge difference in taking this product with the collagen peptides versus without. I can say that I'm feeling lighter and happier and more vibrant taking this just within 2 weeks. And another little added benefit that I like is, so when I take this product with the probiotic in it in the morning, my appetite is suppressed. And I'm going to take that as a positive, especially if you're struggling with weight and you're trying to figure out, or even belly weight, like that belly fat. My stomach is starting to shrink and shrink and shrink, and I am noticing it with just in 2 weeks. Well, I was taking probiotics before, so I can't say it's just all this product within 2 weeks. Okay, so so don't get me wrong. Okay, don't get me wrong. I'm saying that adding a probiotic to your supplements is going to help you with your weight, your stomach weight, like your belly fat. It's going to shrink it in because you're going to be getting rid of and detoxing everything that's in your gut area, causing your stomach to shrink. So in a nutshell, it's good for weight management. And when I take it at night, when I tell you I sleep so good, because like your body is your stomach is less active at night. So the probiotics that you are taking causes you to sleep better, and it causes a natural detox in your body. And I love that for me. So here's the product. Here's the collagen peptides that I'm telling you about. The name of it is Garden of Life, grass-fed collagen peptides, 20 grams per serving. It is type 1 and type 3 plus the probiotic. It is good for your hair, skin, nails, gut, and joints. This particular one is unflavored. It is 28 servings in this container here, and it costs about $30 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box just in case you want to check it out. So that's about $1.10 per day. Can't beat that. On here it says that it is 70 calories, which is good. It has 18 grams of protein. It does have some sodium in there, 4%, which is very, very low. And the collagen peptides is 20 grams and the probiotic is 10 milligrams. And it is a 1.5 billion CFU. It is non-GMO, keto certified, paleo certified, and it is gluten free. I have really been trying to get into gluten-free products, and this is a really, really good start. You can drink this in a shake with water, blend it with smoothies, and you can also use this for baking. Now, the difference between this one and the others is it says that you can use, the others say that you can use it in your coffee or tea. So I'm assuming that you can put boiling water over it without it decreasing its effects. But this one doesn't say that. So how I do it is, in the morning times, I either like to drink it with like warm water. So what I do is like put cold water in there, and then I put boiling water just to bring it to like a room temperature. And then I put 1 scoop in there, and I just drink it. And I've been doing it like that for 2 weeks because I really, really wanted to see the true effects without adding it in a smoothie or food or anything like that. I just wanted to get the hard facts about this product, like the true facts about this product. And now that I see that it's working so well, I decided to go ahead and start drinking it in my smoothie. So today I am drinking it in a smoothie. And I will put the ingredients of this smoothie on the page, on the screen here. Oh, that is so good. And like I said earlier, This product is very, very affordable. So it's right in the same range as the other collagen peptides, but again, this one has a probiotic in it, okay? And if you are taking probiotics separately, then you know how expensive probiotics are, right? So why not just combine it? Probiotic, collagen peptides, perfect match. I'm just saying. And this product is really good to take with the probiotics just in case you're someone who can't take pills. I know people who have a problem like with their gag reflexes taking down a pill. And it's causing you to not take probiotics when you know that you should. So this product will help you get that probiotic into your body, and probably into your body faster than a capsule can. And for me, I'm kind of extra. Okay. I'm very, very extra. So I'm going to start back taking my capsule probiotic also. When I was doing my research, I was trying to make sure that you can't take too much probiotics because I don't want to like throw my system into something. But where I was reading, it says that I can take a capsule form of the probiotic and the probiotic that is blended into other products. It just warned me not to take it at the same time. So what I'm probably going to do is kind of like alternate, because you can take a probiotic day or night. It'll have the same effects on the inside of your body. And whether you take it in the morning or the night, you're going to feel a positive reaction from it. So what I have decided to do is take a probiotic, either the capsule, either in the morning, and do my collagen peptide with the probiotic at night, or vice versa. I'm probably going to start with the probiotic with the collagen peptide in the morning, because I could take it with my smoothie, or I can just put it in some warm water and, stir it up and take it like that. So I'm going to be taking both. And look, your girl is going to be snatched. Skin is going to be just more vibrant than what it is. You can see these shoulders are just, come on now. Come on. It's the probiotics and the collagen peptides for me. So taking this collagen peptides with the probiotic can be very beneficial. If you tried this product and you love it and you got the same results I did in the same amount of time, or even a month, leave a comment below. Let's have a conversation. I want to know what your effects are taking this Garden of Life, or if you've taken or know of any collagen peptides that have probiotics in it other than this Garden of Life brand. And if you haven't, maybe you should try it and see how you like it. And I know there are some of you that have been asking me about different types of probiotics, like the marine form and the vegan form. I am going to try both. Just give me about a month. Let me get through this. And I am going to try both, just to come and let you know what I think about it and where you can get those products from. For the last 4 or 5 years, almost 5 years, I've just been taking the grass-fed bovine version of the collagen peptide. So I'm going to give you what you guys are asking for. I promise you, I am going to do a review on vegan collagen peptides and marine collagen peptides. So you want to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and turn on those notifications so you will know when I upload another video, because it's coming soon. And while you edit, go ahead and like this video. Okay, thumbs up this video and share this video with someone that will find this information valuable. And as always, remember to stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.